The oldest form of writing ever invented was invented in Mesopotamia, the land between rivers. And this form of writing was called cuneiform. Cuneiform writing was done on clay with a wooden reed or stylus. And I have some clay here and a stylus borrowed from art class to show you how this is done. I'm going to first erase the marks that are on here. And here's my wooden stylus. So you can see the edge is flat. The shapes made in cuneiform are usually triangles and lines. So there are different combinations of triangles and lines. So to make a triangle, what you're going to do is just press down in the clay and turn. So you've pressed down and then turned, and you've created a little triangle. So cuneiform is just combinations of triangles and lines pressed into clay. The name cuneiform actually derives from a Latin word that means wedge-shaped. So, since these look like wedges, they've called the writing wedge forms or wedge shapes, cuneiform. To become permanent, you would just let this dry or bake it, and people who could write in cuneiform are called scribes by us. So a scribe is a person who could write in an ancient language. So to review, the first writing system ever created was called cuneiform. It was invented by the Mesopotamians who lived between the two rivers, the Tigris and the Euphrates, and it's a system that had wedge-shaped forms. Without this first system of writing, think what we would have been missing out on. The invention of writing has changed human history for the better. Record keeping was made possible. You could write down stories, like the oldest story we found, the oldest written story called the Epic of Gilgamesh. We were able to write down laws. So Hammurabi's code wouldn't have been possible without the cuneiform writing that the laws are written in. And information would not have been able to be passed down generation to generation as well as it was through writing. Humanity has benefited from collective learning and collective knowledge made possible by writing. And with writing, we're able to share information generation to generation and over long distances. This has helped us grow as a people over thousands of years to get to the point where we are today.